My name is Justin Randall. Fascinated by the beautiful and abundant nature, I came from the United States to Hokkaido.
Everything that we have in Ainu culture, we are getting from our nature.
Yeah.
Even clothing and food.
My interest in the Ainu, the indigenous people who have lived here in this region for generations, has grown quickly.
This is called a katsura tree, and Ainu people used to call this one ranko.
Ranko.
This tree's age is 800 years.
800 years old. Wow. Okay.
We have 25 different bunches of kamui we worship with, right? And one stone or one standing wood or everything else, we believed in spirit called kamui is living inside. See, or even this kind of big standing piece of wood would be a kamui too.
All things in nature are sacred, and the balance between humans and the heavens must be preserved. To understand this Ainu spirituality more deeply, I set out on a journey. My first destination was Lake Akan Ainu Kotan, the largest center of Ainu culture in eastern Hokkaido. It felt as though I had wandered into a storybook world. To escape the cold autumn wind, I stepped into a beautifully decorated cafe. Just beside Lake Akan, I met Pete, who crafts traditional Ainu instruments in his workshop. He invited me to try playing the tonkori, a traditional Ainu string instrument.
トンコリってもう全部が和音になってるので、何を弾いても変な音が出ないっていう、
確かに
誰でも音出せる、
Its gentle, mysterious tones filled the room.
どうですか? How's that?
いいねいいですね。
Not far from where I tried the tonkori stands the Ainu Theater Ikor, a venue where traditional Ainu dance is fused with contemporary digital art. When I was invited onto the stage, I danced with all my heart. I felt a bit shy, but it was an unforgettable and joyful experience. The next day, I traveled south to Shiraoi, a town at the foot of Mount Tarumai, to visit Upopoy, the symbolic space for ethnic harmony. At its center stands a large complex, and on the second floor is the National Ainu Museum. The exhibitions are arranged around 6 themes: our language, our universe, our lifestyle, our work, our history, and our exchange.
これまで多くの博物館などではいわゆる外から見たアイヌの歴史文化について紹介されることが多かったんですが、当館ではやはりこのアイヌ民族の視点で、例えば歴史なども私たちの中の歴史として紹介しています。
In this way, Ainu culture and history continue to be passed down. They live on in wooden carvings and embroidered crafts, traditions preserved and carried forward by Ainu artists today. In joyful songs sung together in unity.
アイヌのウポポっていうのですね、こう数えきれないぐらいたくさんいろんな地域にいろんな歌がありますが、アイヌはもともと文字を持たない民族ですので、こういう歌とかっていうのはですね、自分で歌って覚えて、また聞いて覚えて自分も歌って、そういうふうに後世に残してきたんですね。
で、この船、アイヌ語でチプと言います。一本の木を切り出して作る丸木船って言われる種類の船で、
Each note carries a soul, resonating and echoing, From the forests of Akan to the shores of Lake Poroto. These are not echoes of the past, but promises to the future.